Hey, my Grace family, what a beautiful day it is. Orange and blue skies. No, I'm just serious. No, I'm just kidding. But we are in our Nehemiah project, our 52-day challenge. Today is day 4, and I know that you're moving right along and have gotten a good start in the beginning phases of our challenge. Let me remind you to get your 15 minutes of prayer in and make sure that you get a chance to read that one chapter of Nehemiah. The goal is to try to stay right on point with each day's emphasis so that you won't have to double or triple up on following days, which can put pressure on your time and on your day. You should now have in your hands a copy of the declarations and choose one of them or more and declare it today. Make sure you declare it with boldness and with faith. As we are in our first week, continue to survey the walls, or in other words, do self-examination and determine what areas of your own personal life you would love to rebuild or restore. Now, before I go, I want to just remind you to take a look over all of the material that you have for the engagement in the 52-day challenge and make sure you understand it and that you are in proper execution. Our Grace family is picking up momentum as we look forward and towards the new Grace. That's right. The New Grace Worship Center. That center is emerging and is on the horizon. If you have any questions or needs of any information, email your request to contact@mygwcc.org. Have an amazing and successful and powerful day of favor and blessing. God bless you, and may grace be unto you. Are you excited yet?